Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a custom add to cart button in WooCommerce. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on WordPress, just click on the create account option, and from here you can continue with Google, you can continue with Apple, you can continue with GitHub, or you can simply log in using your business or working email, and by following the on-screen instructions, you are all set. Okay, so adding a custom add to cart button to WooCommerce can offer several advantages for your online store, because the add to cart button allows you to align it with your brand's visual identity. You can choose colors, fonts, and styles that match your brand's aesthetics, creating a cohesive and professional look across your website. Now, I believe a well-designed custom add to cart button can improve the overall user experience of your website by making the button more visually appealing and prominent. You can make it easier for customers to find and interact with, reducing friction in the purchasing process. Now, for us to be able to get a add to cart button here in WooCommerce, just go to the left side panel of your dashboard and click on the go to plugins and click on add new plugin, and from here on the search bar option, just type in custom buttons for WooCommerce. I believe that's that, and click and hit enter. And once you've done that, what will happen is so basically you have a lot of results that were given, but I suggest you click the custom buttons for WooCommerce add to cart button for product types. Click on that, and from here these are the key features. You can custom add tap cart buttons for all WooCommerce product types. You can easily customize with WooCommerce add to cart button tags, and it's compatible with WooCommerce bookings and accommodation add-on and a lot more. Right now, changing the WooCommerce bookings read more button, you have all these information, and once you have done that, click on the install and activate, and from here it's a breeze, because basically when you click on the manage plugin, right, from here you can also go to the plugin section. Just type in custom add buttons for WooCommerce. Hit enter, and once you've done that, just search for the specific plugin, and I believe this is the plugin that we're looking for. Click on that, and again, these are the details. Now, with custom buttons for WooCommerce, you can effortlessly change the button text to something that makes sense for your target audience, and you can boost conversions and improve navigation within your WooCommerce stores. You have all of these great reviews that could help you make an informed decision, and the minimum requirements for installation, right? And also you have the active community of contributors and developers. And once you're finally happy with that, just click on download. And once you've done that, just go here on your dashboard again and click on the specific plugin. That's going to be the custom buttons for WooCommerce. Click on the view details, and as you can see, you can strategically design custom add to cart button, and it can help optimize your website for conversions. And by experimenting with different button designs, placements, and copy, you can identify which variations drive the highest conversion rates, and you can refine your approach accordingly. And I believe that a custom add to cart buttons can be integrated with your marketing strategies to drive sales and engagement. For example, you can create buttons that promote limited time offers, cross-sell related products, or encourage customers to sign up for promotions or newsletters. And by adding a custom add to cart buttons, you gain more control over the design and functionality of your WooCommerce store. And obviously, you can experiment with different button styles. Like what I did, I experimented with that such as placements and behaviors to find the combination that works best for your business goals and target audience. So overall, when you add this one, the add to cart buttons to WooCommerce, it can help you create a more engaging, user-friendly, and conversion optimized shopping experience for your customers, leading to increased sales and customer satisfaction. I believe it's a straightforward process. Just go to plugins and select the plugin that you wanted, especially in terms of the adding a custom add to cart button here in WooCommerce. You can also check other plugins such as stacked locations for WooCommerce, extra product options for WooCommerce, and I believe there's a lot more, but basically this is my suggestion. The button customizer for WooCommerce. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Adding a custom add to cart button to WooCommerce is a very straightforward and easy process. We will see you in the next one.